Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about if you are iPhone user and you are facing this problem. This Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store. So if you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until the end. So how to fix this problem? So guys, I will teach you some solutions about this problem. So follow me step by step. So guys, first of all, open setting application and make sure you have stable internet connection. If you have not stable internet connection, so change or forget this network. I hope your problem will be solved after resetting your Wi-Fi, and mostly see the next solution. Open setting application appears on screen. So guys, simply tap on Apple ID name, and guys, now simply sign out and sign back in again. Guys, sometimes simple refresh can resolve the problem, and sign out your Apple ID on your device and sign in again on your Apple ID. So I hope your problem will be solved after sign out and sign in back again. So guys, for the next solution, open setting again and simply tap on Apple ID name. Here is, and tap on sign in and security. And guys, if you have not already verified your email address associated with Apple ID, you must have to verify your email address with your Apple ID. See, the next solution is open setting again and tap on Apple ID name. And guys, now tap on payment and shipping. Guys, must be update or change your payment method here. Guys, if you have not already added your payment method, now edit your payment method. If you have not payment method, you can add fake payment method. Don't worry, you can add your payment method fake. You can search on Google. Now see the last and next solution and scroll down and tap on general. And guys, tap on software update. If you have software update is available, now update your software. After update this I hope your problem will be solved. Guys, I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. You have to follow me in this video. Guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.